Hey car enthusiasts, welcome back to the Car Insight. Today, we're immersing ourselves in the world of high-performance luxury with the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage. This iconic sports car promises to deliver a thrilling driving experience wrapped in a stunning design package. Let's see if the new Vantage lives up to the Aston Martin legacy. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage retains its signature blend of elegance and aggression. The iconic long hood, flowing lines, and muscular rear haunches create a timeless silhouette. The signature Aston Martin grille is reimagined with a more assertive design, featuring a larger mesh pattern and sleek LED headlights. Aerodynamic enhancements, such as a redesigned front splitter and rear diffuser, improve performance and efficiency without compromising the car's stunning aesthetics. Available carbon fiber body components offer a more aggressive look and reduced weight for those seeking maximum performance. Step inside the Vantage, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that exudes luxury and sportiness. High-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents combine to create a premium and performance-oriented atmosphere. The driver-centric layout features a digital instrument cluster and a large, centrally mounted touchscreen infotainment system. Physical buttons and knobs are retained for essential functions, ensuring a tactile driving experience. Supportive and comfortable sports seats with optional heating, ventilation, and massage functions provide all-day comfort. The rear seats are designed for occasional use, prioritizing cargo space and maintaining the car's sporty character. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is expected to be powered by a potent twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering exhilarating performance and a captivating soundtrack. A lightning-fast dual-clutch transmission ensures rapid shifts and explosive acceleration. Advanced suspension systems and a limited-slip differential enhance handling and agility, making the Vantage a true driver's car. A lightweight aluminum chassis contributes to the car's exceptional performance and agility. The 2025 Vantage is equipped with the latest in automotive technology, including a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems to enhance safety and convenience. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking come standard. A premium audio system with immersive sound quality and a suite of connectivity options ensures an enjoyable and connected driving experience. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage represents the pinnacle of British automotive craftsmanship and performance. It blends timeless design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance into a truly exceptional package. So, what do you think of the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage? Does it capture the essence of the Aston Martin brand? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews.